Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across a system error 5 has occurred. Access is denied on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer when attempting to execute a command in the command line window. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you need to do is just go ahead and open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes, and that's pretty much it. So if you're accessing the command prompt through a shortcut, you want to do the same idea, you want to run it as an administrator, and that should pretty much be about it on resolving the system error 5 has occurred message. Hopefully this is a pretty straightforward tutorial for you guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.